Hey, good morning, guys. Today we're out in Seaside trying to catch some razor clam. Limit is 15 razor clam per day,
Hello.
and it's any size.
Hello.
So if you catch a small one,
Việt
just
Nam
make
hả?
sure you keep them.
Bắt được nhiều chú?
Don't put them back because they
Oh,
don't
can
survive.
I see it? A
Other
lot?
than that, enjoy the
You
video.
got a lot today?
It's just us razor clamming. Met some local out there. It was really cool.
Razor clam, right? Oh, wow. All right. Thank you. Cảm ơn chú. Dạ. Dạ bye chú. Dạ. Yeah. Dude, you see those razor clam? It's so big. Okay. We got time, right? Man, I wish we could get more. 15 only. Come on. Okay, okay. It's a beautiful day, dude. It's look at the kids are out here. It's cold, but it's not that cold, you know?
The hole there?
Mhm.
So you open that hole?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to wiggle back and forth, get down, and then you cover the hole and pull.
Okay, so get down there first,
Yeah.
and then cover the hole, right?
Yeah, when you want to pull up, you want to cover the hole. And there's one right there too.
So like just pull it out.
And then you want to cover the hole and pull. Yeah.
I see something. I see something over here.
You let it go too early?
Yeah. I see like a trunk or something. You say there's one right here too.
Cover the hole. Hole. Once you get out, let it go. There you go. One right there, buddy. That's the first one right there.
First razor clam. Yee!
See how easy that was?
Yeah. Big one? Whoa! That's a big one. Woo! Look at that. Uh-huh. The water's warm. There it is. So cool. That's a big one, Jen. Yeah, they're pretty easy.
There's the view behind us, dude.
It's like once you find them, they're here.
When you like go down, you feel something crack.
Yep, like a shell, right? Yeah, because you don't want to break it, because it die, right? Woo! No, it's small, but we have to keep it, right? Because they don't survive. I want big ones like yours. Those be good for clam chowder. Like this one. Okay.
Right there, that's a good one. There's one right there. That line over there.
One pull.
It's a smaller.
That's so crazy. We gotta keep track of how many we have too. Oh, right here, right? Three. Let's get these one. I'll go with this one right here first. Oh, right there. It was in there. Thanks, man. I missed that one. It's a big one too. Oh, I feel straight.
This one looks okay.
Oh, dude. I killed it. Can I keep it too? Oh no. Here, let me clean it up.
Get some water.
Oh man. The shell? Okay. There it is. Yeah, I have to really be careful with breaking the shell. Something. No. Oh, here it is. I think there's one more right here too. Woo! There's a nice one. Are these one right here, Jen? Okay. It's not big, but it's okay.
Just keep walking. So separate, that's 15 right there.
Okay, okay, okay. You stop getting these baby ones. So put it outside, right?
Back is 15.
Alright guys, that's all for today. We all limit out. Each of us got 15. Alright, so limit is 15 per day and per person. And you also need a license, shellfish license. Alright?
Seaside order. Yeah, I'll grab my shoes and